How's it going, guys? Welcome to the video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today I have probably the most exciting fishing video. I've only made two, but this one is definitely the most exciting. So the first clips that I have to show you is a video that I got of me catching my biggest fish of my life. It was like a 4-pound bass out of a pond literally really close to my house. Never expected to catch anything that big out of there, but I have some pretty exciting clips. Unfortunately, it was like right when I got there, and I was waiting for Jay, and then he got there right when I caught it. I didn't even have my GoPro on, so unfortunately I didn't get the GoPro footage, but I got some really good footage of the fish. So that's it for me talking for this video. The rest of it's just gonna go on. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Holy cow.
You got it?
That's huge. That's ginormous. That's the biggest bass I've ever seen.
It's like the hook. I need to get my pliers out of my back.
Literally. It's so hard to tell from scale on the camera, but this is the hand.
That's the biggest out of here I've ever caught by far.
Dude, that is huge. That looks like a carp. That looks like a small carp.
As soon as you can kill.
That's insane. I'm gonna stop recording. He's huge.
Okay, keep pulling on me. Oh my god, dude.
He's got him on a worm.
On a little worm.
That little hook got stuck in his mouth.
Barely hooked, dude.
Holy cow.
Right out. Get a few more. Ah.
He's big.
Get a few more. That's probably big. That's my biggest bass.
That's definitely your biggest. I didn't know they came this big.
If you like, it's about to flop. Oh my god.
I've never seen a fish
Out of a pond, dude. Like pictures.
What's up?
Like try to get like pictures, kind
There.
of. Look at the stomach. Record the stomach on that guy.
Oh,
This is easily 4 pounds.
that's easy.
Right. Oh my god, dude. Look at that fish.
That's huge.
Oh my god. On a tiny little worm.
It's so.
Go back.
That bass was so.
Merry, 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 Merry Christmas. Merry, 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 Merry Christmas. Oh my god. Right in front of me, dude. Oh my god. Just a little guy. I caught one more.
What?
I caught another one. It was only like half a pound.
Did you catch anything?
Yep, 2.
Small ones or?
One was big, like 4 pounds almost. No, just let it go. Guys, I just got to the pond for the second day of fishing. First thing I see is this dead, like 2-pound bass, dude. It's a big fish. Rest in peace to that bait. Well, Jay's got the first fish over here. He is. Dummy. Jeez.
Yeah, look. Every
Grab him.
time he's done it.
Wow. Bro, my spinnerbait, I casted it and it snapped at the knot. Flew into the water. I guess I should just be using a worm.
Did you lose a bait?
No, I thought for sure it was gonna come off, but then I like pulled as hard as I could and it just came out.
Yeah, I might cast along.
I got a bite. That's a fish. Little one.
Huge.
Huge one, dude.
Jarvis.
Look at that giant fish. Wait. Let's get some pictures. Make him look giant.
Huge.
Absolute monster. Absolute giant out of this pond.